Ice Pijo in Pattaya! Have a look at this. The sun's going down. It's Friday evening, 28th of January. All the lights have just come on. Should be a busy weekend in the beach. Hang on, let's go through here while we're here. How cool's that? Romantic. I'll show you in a sec. I'm on Beach Road. I'll show you where the beach house is. I've got another party there tomorrow. But how cool's this? Great for photos. I don't know if you can see the beach, not too busy. It was hot today, 31 degrees. COVID's still dropping. Now across the road just here, you can see that's Pattaya Klang, the Hilton Hotel. And just there is the beach house. See those people on the balcony? Great in there, swimming pool. There's even a resort out the back. I think it's 700 baht a night. They saw the price. There's Beach Road. And the beach house. Look, even a big menu there. Upstairs balcony area. It's cool. Good spot. And you look at all those lights. Look at that. Hope everyone's doing okay. Go have a look at these beach bars along here. See if they're busy or not. This was Witherspoon's on the corner, but they changed. Cafe La Page. Looks okay in there. Got a good view, looks nice. Great for photos. Let's have a look just along here. We'll check the exchange rates as well. I think there's one up here. Hello. Yeah, some good little bars, or should I say restaurants. Kamikaze restaurant. They're all up and open. Look at the size of the menu there. Huge, big place in there. Have a look at these bars. Right, exchange rate. Can you see that, guys? The Aussie dollar's crashed. England 44.35, Australia 23.1. What? That's no good. Oh, they got the Chinese lanterns up. I think they light up too. They're not lit up yet, but they got the Chinese New Year coming. The sun's just going down, if you can see over there. Great sunset. That's the old Soy 8 Poppy Bar. But look at these little bars. Restaurants, sorry, have food. Still not a lot of people though. The old Soy 9. Remember this Soy? Ever go up here? It's a police station there, of course. Been arrested a few bar owners for not licenses lately, which sucks. That's the central shopping just there. That's where they all eat their food in there, Thai food. But remember this here, Barron Beach Hotel, and you used to walk through there, through to Soy 8. Barron Beach. Was another little resort just here. Looks older style. Pretty sure they have a swimming pool too. Look at that swimming pool just in there. Still doesn't look that modern. Let's go up here. New Plaza. There's a couple of places open, and they have the good old restaurants there, the old fish and chips and whatnot. Look at that building going up. Another monster. Soy New Plaza. Some say Soy Cheap Charlie, don't they? They've got the wine bar there. That's great there on the corner. course, these bars you can't play pool, which sucks, so you just sit around chatting. Well, there's a few people around. A Pui bar upstairs, the balcony's great. And a lot of restaurants along here. Was a good little spot. 10 years ago these places were packed, especially Crew Bar and the Lock and Load, but they haven't even reopened now. It's crazy. Well, the Chinese lanterns are up. Chinese New Year. And Soi Buakhou's getting busy too lately. See if we can get out of here. Here we go. Marquee Bar's always popular. I like that. All day breakfast, good food. Friendship Bar, they're always busy. Even the bars in there. Look, a couple of people. And here we are at the salon section just here. There's a new bar there, Lex Classroom. Lex Classroom have a live band when they start. And all the salons over there. But give you a quick look, guys. This is P. Joe over and out. Take care.